couple days ago, we planted several December crops. I left 3 off the list. We're gonna get those in the ground today. But it's Friday, and you know what we do in my garden on Friday? We plant. It got down to somewhere around 15 to 18 degrees last night. Well, come on, let's plant. Right here, since we've got this makeshift greenhouse started up, we're gonna go ahead and plant right here. And these are kind of cut and come again. We've got spinach, we've got bunching onions, we got radishes. But just like everything else, just pull that mulch back, get down that bare soil. We'll make a couple little furrows, we'll get some seed in the ground. Your evergreen bunching onions are not gonna bulb out. You can either take the whole thing or you can take 1 or 2 of the greens at the top. With the radishes, you can eat a couple of the leaves as they start growing. Then you can wait till they get the bulb, take the whole radish. We're gonna plant enough, we'll have some of these go to seed, and I guarantee you get more food off the seeds than you do off the radishes. Then we got 2 kinds of spinach here. And obviously spinach is cut and come again. You just start taking those leaves, and they like the cool weather a lot. So we've opened this up down the soil, and I'm just gonna make 2 really light little furrows. And I'm gonna kind of mix my 2 spinaches together. We'll see what we get. Then make a nice little line. So you gotta do. Soil contact. This is good and moist. We'll come back and give this a little drink, and we'll be good to go. Okay, we got our spinach in. It froze pretty good last night. And look how loose that soil is underneath there. I'm gonna plant the radishes really heavy. We're gonna thin them out a lot as they start coming up. A little soil contact. Then back here, we're gonna do a couple little rows of our long green bunching onions. And these can be planted a little closer together because they're not gonna bulb out. Then just soil contact. That's just how easy it is to plant in December, in August, and whenever. Now our volunteer Swiss chard, as soon as the sun kicks in, these are gonna perk right back up. A couple of these got burnt a little bit, but these are in pretty good shape. I went ahead and pulled the plastic completely off of everything. It's not supposed to freeze tonight. It's supposed to be 60 degrees tomorrow. We're gonna have a couple really nice days, and then it's gonna drop down real cold again. So far with our cabbages, our cilantro, our carrots, our beets, our turnips, our cabbages, our winter garden's starting to shape up, and we're still a couple weeks away from winter. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.